Now we're going to try the Orange Julius recipe on page 12 of this edition and see if it's better than the Tootsie Rolls since they didn't turn out very well. What did you just tell me?
It smells like powdered milk.
Well, are you going to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's taste it.
Not as good as the other kind.
Not as good as the regular recipe, but is it okay?
Yeah.
Like, would you drink it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I guess it would work as a food storage recipe, but I don't know that you'd necessarily have orange juice sitting around to make it. So this is an Orange Julius using a different recipe. You got to taste it and tell me what you think.
I don't like filling again.
Well, we need to see your reaction.
Is it gross?
It's different. It's tolerable, and if you didn't have anything else, it would be okay. I just don't know that if in a food storage situation, if you would have orange juice.
It's fine.
It's fine? Do you want more?
Fine.
You'll just finish that off for us? Okay.